This is a direct briefing on how to manufacture reach in the new zero-click environment. The old playbooks are obsolete. We are going to cover the new operational standard. Let's start with a number, $5,000. For most, that's the annual price of failure, the cost of running on a system that no longer works. We call this the annual guru tax. It's what you pay every single year for using obsolete rented strategies. You're building your business on someone else's property, and the landlord is raising the rent. So the question is simple. Why are you still paying it? Why are you continuing to fund a system that is fundamentally engineered against you? Let's be crystal clear. The strategy of just creating random content and hoping it gets seen, what we call posting and praying, is a decommissioned protocol. It is no longer an operational strategy, period. So now we get to the core problem. It's called the rented attention trap. The very platforms you rely on to get attention are now engineered to penalize your success by keeping users and the value they generate for themselves. We're in what's known as the Great Decoupling. This is an operational failure where your search rank is no longer connected to your site traffic. Why? Because AI overviews and platform-native answers intercept user intent. The user gets their answer, and you get nothing. The click is dead. This means we have to fundamentally change how we measure success. Clicks and visits, those are legacy metrics. They're irrelevant now. The new metrics, the only ones that actually matter, are visibility and citations. Are you being seen inside the AI? And are you being cited as the source? So your new KPIs, your new key performance indicators, are share of answer, citation frequency, and what we'll call the AI Visibility Index. These are the only metrics that reflect operational reality in this new landscape. You have to understand, you are operating in a hostile environment. It's a zero-click ecosystem where information is mediated by AI and user journeys are contained within the platform. You don't own anything. You are a tenant on someone else's land, and you can be evicted at any time. Okay, so how do we fight back? This is the sovereign roadmap. This is the strategic doctrine for taking back control of your distribution and learning how to manufacture reach with $0 in overhead. The specific operational plan is called the 14-day traffic blitz. And don't think of this as a marketing campaign. This is an industrial process. It's a repeatable system for building traffic sovereignty. The process has 3 phases. It's an assembly line. Step 1, isolate your anchor asset. Step 2, fabricate context bridges. Step 3, automate programmatic distribution. Isolate, fabricate, automate. Let's define these terms. An anchor asset is a single piece of high-value proprietary data or first-person experience. The key is that it cannot be replicated by AI. This is your defensible raw material. Next, a context bridge. These are not just social media posts. They are deconstructed, platform-specific hooks that are engineered from the anchor asset. Their sole purpose is to drive attention back to you from all corners of the search everywhere landscape. Now, a strategy like this is useless without the infrastructure to execute it. This requires an engine. Let's talk about the mechanics of building what we call the invisible factory, your own sovereign infrastructure. Your first directive is simple. Decommission the guru stack. You must abandon the expensive, ineffective, third-party tools that keep you dependent and trapped in the rental model. And here's the data to back it up. Look at this comparison. The rented guru stack costs you $5,000 a year, and you have zero control. Your output is random. The owned invisible factory costs $1 to set up, gives you total control, and produces programmatic reach. The choice isn't a choice at all. And here are the precise components you need. Your automation engine is N8N. Your distribution hub is LeadSleep. Your asset is your own proprietary data or experience, and your protocol is a set of programmatic workflows that you design and own. That's the entire factory. I need you to understand this distinction. This is not about content creation. We are not artists. This is industrial scale distribution. We are building a machine that manufactures reach predictably and efficiently. So that brings us to the final phase. It's time to stop theorizing and start building. It's time to download your operational assets and initialize your deployment. Initialize your deployment? Download the 14-day Blitz roadmap and the $1 Invisible Factory at the links in the description below.